We had lot of plans in this year. It's like a bad dream, like all went away. Like we don't have any hope like for this year. So we don't have any plans. We live. I have to live for my kids. I will be living. I have 3 kids, 2 daughters and 1 son. Mother-in-law lived with us. We run our own freight forwarding company in Colombo. We wanted to have our own company because we wanted to be with the kids mainly. It was on March 14th we got to know that they are going to lock down the country. So we didn't had a single income that time because normally we did the business and we don't have a fixed income. So like it was a sudden incident for us. We thought like this will drag for 1 week time, this curfew time. But like every weekend they are media announcing that they'll be continuing, and it went to 2 months. Our clients who had to pay us, they didn't want to pay because the banks closed, as well as they also faced the same situation. So like even husband's mother is not working, so we didn't had any single income. Myself and husband, what else to do? Like we stay long hours in the night. We talked actually what to do. So he borrowed funds from their friends, as well as after this actually we had to limit for 2 meals because like we didn't have option. We have to leave because we don't know when this is going to be over. Skip always our lunch, and we like dinner we take together. Actually, I wanted to express my feelings with my friends, and I told this situation to one of my closest friends, but she didn't even reply to me because she thought this is I'm lying because I lived a happy and luxury life, and it's mainly they said like you have a luxury vehicle and also like they thought like we are lying, but the reality is not that. So like one day we didn't have single balance in my hand, so like I asked 10,000 from the bank manager, where bank manager refused it. I didn't have option, so I like posted a kind of a post in FB where I'm passing a very hard time that I really went through. After seeing that, one of my friend suddenly sent me an inbox message asking what is the reason, and so that she asked me whether she can give. So that was I didn't think it for the second time. So instantly she transferred my account. That was like a million things for me, and myself and husband just went to the ATM and withdrew it, and we got some groceries for the house. We survived nearly 2 to 3 days. After that, again the same crisis came. There were none of the payments. We didn't get any payments. Other than that, my husband's mother got like government support, like 5,000. They gave a kind of a help, so that we got. Other than that, we didn't had any income. Also, I got a reminder from my school to pay for the second term fees, where I didn't pay for the first term as well for my both kids. So like I didn't reply for this because I have time. They gave me time till end of this month. So hopefully things will, I don't know. This is actually we didn't expect anything. That's the main issue. Tell you the truth, like I posted like pictures, some of the furnitures to sell as well. We don't have our options. We don't have any plan.